guys, V Rossi Fit here. Every morning the first thing I do is I weigh myself, check my weight for the day, and then I always have 2 cups of water just to get hydrated, just to get the body started for the day, and then we get on for breakfast. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my protein pancakes. These are the quickest and easiest protein pancakes you ever make, and they're also going to be the most tastiest and fluffiest protein pancakes that you'll ever have. So let's get started. These are the ingredients you're going to need. I put a scoop of vanilla protein powder. I prefer to use the Magnum Quattro soft serve vanilla. Personally, I think this is the best protein powder out there. 1 cup of oats, 1/4 a cup of egg whites, a teaspoon of baking powder. The baking powder is gonna make the pancakes fluffy. A tablespoon of a sugar-free sweetener. I use erythritol. And a tablespoon of vanilla extract. I also put in 1/4 of a cup of blueberries. You guys could put in anything you want. You can even put in chocolate chips or other fruit, but personally I like blueberries. So now we're gonna measure everything and mix it all together. We're gonna put in our scoop of protein. Next is the 1 cup of oats. Next we're gonna put in 1/4 a cup of egg whites. Now we're gonna put a teaspoon of our sugar-free sweetener, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Lastly, we're gonna put a cup of water, and then we're gonna blend everything together. So after it's blended, it should have a liquidy consistency. It's not going to be as thick as regular pancake batter, but it should be not watery but not thick, like in between. So we have our pan heating up on medium heat. We're going to add some avocado oil, just about a teaspoon, just a little bit to make sure the pancakes don't stick. Now we're going to add the batter. I like to make 1 big pancake at a time. This recipe makes 3 pancakes. Got my blueberries. Gonna add more oil so the next pancake doesn't stick. So there you have it. That's our protein pancakes. And what's better than putting on some Walden Farms 0-calorie pancake syrup to top it all off? Alright, let's have a taste test. That's some good protein pancake. So there you have it, guys. That's my protein pancake recipe. I may not be the best cook. I know my flipping game is weak. No matter what I flip, pancakes, omelets, I always seem to mess it up. But that doesn't matter because the pancakes are still the sweetest and fluffiest protein pancakes I ever had in my life. I have this breakfast probably around 3 times a week. This breakfast is also low calorie and high in protein, so it will fit well into your diet. If your calories are a bit restricted, just reduce the amount of oats you put in and then decrease the amount of water you add as well. So I'm going to tell you the macros for this breakfast. This breakfast is 526 calories, only 7 grams of fat, 67 grams of carbs, and 49 grams of protein. So a good amount of protein, an abundant amount, and enough carbs to give you energy for the day. Yeah, that's it. So if you liked the video, please like it, comment, and subscribe for future videos like this one. This is V Rossi Fit, and I'll catch you guys later.